Yeah. Now, let us see the development of embryo. Development of embryo. I have seen in one paper, one neat paper, that the development of limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs in the embryo comes in which of the following month? That was the question. So, I'll give a chart for you and it will tell in which month which particular structure which develops, and it is also there in your NCERT book. After 1 month, formation of heart, second month, heart sound, and then end of the third month, forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs and hind limbs. And digits. Then 5th month, first movement of the child. Slow movement, little bit leg movement will be there. Then in the 6th month, fine hairs, body hairs, and then eyelids, eyelashes will develop. And in the 9th month, fully developed fetus. So this is the chart. These are the developmental stages that you should remember. Then the last part is called parturition and lactation. What is parturition? Process of giving birth to the developed embryo or child. Parturition is process of giving birth to the child is called parturition. Process of giving birth to the child is called parturition. Then lactation. Process of production of milk. Is called lactation, or giving milk to the child. Giving milk to the child is called lactation. Then colostrum. it is formed. It's a semi-solid mass of milk. It is formed in the first few initial days. It is formed during first few initial days. That is called colostrum. So, in this chapter, these are all the important aspects that you should remember. So, dear students, we discussed about fertilization, and we also discussed about the implantation today. We also discussed about development of embryo, and then parturition and lactation. So, this is the end of first chapter. I'll give the homework and you should submit it later. With this, now let us move to the next chapter, that is reproductive health. Second chapter. Reproductive health. You know that India is a thickly populated country, and we have a lot of human resource, and also it is a big problem to our country. According to World Health Organization, WHO, reproductive health means it is complete physical, emotional, behavioral, and social well-being. It is complete physical, mental, behavioral, emotional, and social well-being. This is the definition of reproductive health. So it is complete physical, mental, behavioral, emotional, and social well-being is called reproductive health. Now, India has introduced entire world under the guidance of this World Health Organization. They introduced RCH program. What is RCH? RCH means Reproductive and Child Health Care. Reproductive and Child Health Care. Why they established this program? You know, in most of the developing countries or poor countries, underdeveloped countries, mortality rate of the child is very high. Death of the child, it is mainly because of malnutrition of mother during the time of pregnancy, or lack of immunity, or lack of parental care. All these are the reasons why the child death occurs. This reproductive and child health care program, it has created a lot of impact, and the aims of this program, aims of RCH program, let us see. Aims of RCH program. RCH means Reproductive Child Health Care Program. It can be asked for 3 marks. It is important for 3 marks. First one is, it provides right information about sex related aspects. Sex related aspects. Second important thing, it avoids myths and misbeliefs. It avoids myths. Myths means moodanambike. Myths and misconceptions. With regard to sexual aspects. Sexual aspects. It gives proper education about, it gives proper education about reproductive organs. It gives proper education about reproductive organs, as well as and also about STDs. What is STD? Sexually transmitted disease and AIDS. It gives proper information about STD and AIDS. So, if they ask, write the aims of reproductive child health care program, first point is it provides right information about sex related aspect. It avoids myths and misconceptions with regard to sexual aspects. It gives proper education about reproductive organs and also about STD and AIDS. So, these are the things that you should write. Now, let us see the aspect of population explosion. Population explosion. In 1900, the population of the world was 2 billion. World population was 2 billion. In 2000, the world population has increased about 6 billion. 6 billion. Then India is having, in India, in 1947, the population was 350 million. 350 million. And in May 2000, it has increased to 1 billion. See, out of 6 billion, 1 billion is from India. And every year we are producing the entire population of Australia. Every year in India, the number of childbirth that is equal to total population of Australia. And according to 2001 census, according to 2001 census, population growth rate is 1.7%. Population growth is 1.7%. Even it is not less. If our population grows in this rate, our present population will be doubled within 33 years. So our present population will be doubled within 33 years. 33 years. The reasons for population explosion. Reasons for population explosion. The first one is increased medical facility or increased medical care. Increased medical care. Second one is decreased maternal mortality rate, MMR. MMR means maternal mortality rate. Decreased MMR. And then decreased IMR, infant mortality rate. Then increased lifespan. Increased lifespan. So these are all the reasons why the population is exposed, explosion which occurred. One is increased medical care. We have a very good medical facility. Then decreased maternal mortality rate during the time of delivery. And decreased infant mortality rate due to proper health care, then increased lifespan of the people. These are all the reason why the population explosion occurred. Now, what are the impacts of population explosion? Let us see the impacts of population explosion.